So we believe at Turing that AI is going to unleash the human potential, right? And what that means is not that AI is here to replace people's jobs, but AI is here to augment people's jobs and to make them more effective in their role. And in today's world, we believe in boundaryless work. So something that you don't have to be in an office or in the tech services world, large campuses across the world. You can be just as effective from your home office in Lisbon or in Dallas or in Tokyo. And having an AI platform that will vet you, analyze your ability to do the work, and then more importantly, match you to the work that needs to be done. And then we augment that with tools that can help you be more effective and more productive in your work. We believe that AI will transform tech services, disrupt the traditional model, and as companies are forced to embrace AI, they're going to look for those companies that are AI native and have proven experience building on an AI platform to help them guide them through their journey. And that's really what Turing is well positioned to do. I'm Phil Walsh. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer of Turing. Catch me on the Marketer of the Month podcast.